Yeah, that's some sick air, huh? That is Wilson on the Predator. Nice. Is he gonna hit it again? I think he's gonna hit it again. No? Oh, I think he's going for it again. Oh yeah, he's getting some good air there. I think he went on the other side there. But yeah, he is getting some nice air off of this.